Hello everyone, and I'm coming on to do a mukbang. I'll try and show you guys real quick. I have a pork chop, a serving of Brussels sprouts with some Parmesan cheese and some salt and pepper on it. And then I'll show you guys, sorry about that guys, some sugar-free honey barbecue sauce. And then I have this drink here. It's really good. So. And Aubrey's watching The Christmas Story because she's like me and doesn't care what time of the year it is. She'll watch any movie that she likes. So, she's like me, you guys. So you guys, I'm actually recording this Sunday night. I'm doing OMAD, which is 1 meal a day. So this is my 1 meal for the day. I had 2 teas this morning. I had a cup of tea this morning, and then I went to Panera with my daughter and I got a tea. I didn't eat anything. I just got a tea. And then I had one of my sparkling waters, and that's all I've had. And then now I'm drinking this. But this is my first actual calorie meal for today. That barbecue sauce is really good. So I told you guys, the next mukbang, it would be something different. It would be something different. So I am trying, you guys, to upload as many videos as I can. A lot of videos I uploaded, but they're not private. I mean, they're not public yet because I want to put my videos in order for you guys. So there's one video that will not upload for some reason. So I'm trying to upload all my other videos and then do that one last. And maybe I will add more storage to my room. I'm sorry, add more room for storage into my phone so I can do it. So I'm hoping I can get it to upload. I'll be very aggravated if I can't get it up to upload, you guys. I guess that's what happens when I waited so long to upload it for you guys. This is really good, you guys. These drinks are really good. Brussels sprouts are good. Was so poisoning. Me and Aubrey love this movie. It's so funny. So, tomorrow is Monday, you guys. Aubrey goes back to school. I can go to the track in the morning. I've been going to the track, you guys, because it's been in the 50s and 60s here, but I'm gonna go to the track as much as possible until, ooh, look at that, you guys. I've been trying to go to the track as much as possible until it really, really gets cold and I can't go. Let me put this over here for you guys to see here. I was gonna do some ranch or put mayo in this like I did before, but I was like, nah. I had ranch last night, and the regular barbecue is just fine. So, when I took this piece of pork chop out last week, so it needed to get cooked. Like, it wasn't cooked, it was just sitting in my fridge, but I wanted to cook it up before it went bad. Come on, pork chop, cut. Ouch. This was a piece of bone over here. Hopefully it doesn't freak you guys out for me to pick it up with my hands, but it's on a bone, that's why, guys. Oh, sorry. So, but I heard something. That's so good, you guys. Who's that?
What?
Aubrey, huh? Huh, she's grabbing her baby's bottle.
I'm glad Mimi helped my baby. Mimi
got batteries for your baby, right? Yeah.
That was so nice of me.
Yeah.
And I was looking at that guy having my birdie on. He's showing.
Oh yeah, so when we went to CVS today, there was a tall Halloween decoration that had a bird on it, and you press it and it would say something. It was $60.
It was $50.
$60.
$60?
Mm-hmm.
I was showing that.
Where are you going?
To go get that for shopping.
Oh God. So you guys, there's a video that I posted that wasn't supposed to go public yet. And I guess it did. And there was a person who commented on it saying, yell a little louder. I was like, are you being sarcastic? Are you saying that I was yelling too loud? Like, what? Ooh. Well, you guys can't see that video yet because, like I said, I'm trying to go in order of videos, so you guys haven't, but I accidentally put it public when it wasn't supposed to be. So some person saw it. All it was on the 3rd, September 3rd, we went to my grandmother's house because we went there to get as much stuff as we wanted before they were going to sell my grandmother's house. So I was in the car talking to you guys, and like there was stuff next to Aubrey that she didn't want next to her, and she was like pushing it. So I was like, no, Aubrey. Kind of like, I did yell at her, but it wasn't, trust me, it was not yelling, because if you want to hear me yell, it was not yelling. So I don't know if that's what the person was talking about, and she was saying, maybe thinking that I was yelling at her too much. I don't know. But of course the person didn't have any subscribers, didn't have a picture, so all the person was a troll. Like, there's people like that who will never get a approved comment from me. Because they're obviously, either they're being sarcastic and telling me that I really should have been yelling louder at her, or they're saying that I was yelling too loud and being sarcastic that I need to yell louder. Idiot. It's like, if any parent has ever said that they have never yelled at their child, they're bullshit liars. Bullshit liars. Bullshit liars, because every child does something in their life where you're going to have to yell at them for something. My daughter likes to do a lot of things to get herself in trouble. Look at that. Sorry guys, my daughter's Mimi called and I just declined it so I can finish this up with you guys. I'm almost done, then I'll find it for you, okay? Okay, what did you get? She's always going up and getting my movies.
Upstairs and watching them.
What is it?
Upstairs.
I'm almost done, see?
They're on the stairs. Go get them.
Go ahead, go get them so you can show me. Go ahead. She's always getting into my movies, you guys. I should have grabbed a napkin. I'm obsessed watching those.
Mommy, why do you have your Chucky shirt on your bed? See?
Oh, Insidious. Show them. Go ahead, show them.
Is this Insidious?
Insidious.
I'm gonna watch that. And what is
Show
this?
them. Go ahead, show them. Mommy can't touch because I got my hands. Yeah, it's upside down. You got Insidious 3.
Yep.
And then Insidious number 1. Yeah? You've never seen those ones before.
I'm gonna watch that.
Bless you.
Thank you, Mommy.
Go get a tissue, please, for your
I
nose.
don't need a tissue. My nose is just some perfectly smooth.
Come here, tell them how much you love the Christmas Story.
No.
Yes, you do. Shoot your eye out.
No. I'm gonna go get all your movies off of your shelf, and I'm gonna go get the Chris, and then.
Oh yes, there's this movie called, I'm sure some of you guys have probably seen it. It's called The Elf on the Shelf. It goes along with the little elf you can get. Hers is Ellie, right? Ellie's your elf?
Yeah.
Well, it's a movie that goes along with the elf in the book. And her Mimi got it for her, so it's upstairs, but I just got to get it down for her, and she wants to watch it. She's just like me, doesn't care what time of the year it is, she'll watch any movie, right? Huh. You know what I'm saying? She's such a picky eater. Huh.
I'm gonna go find the elf on the shelf.
No, I'm almost done, then I'll go get it for you, because I know exactly where it is, okay?
Okay.
You want to go take care of baby while I finish eating, and then I can get it for you?
No. I'm gonna watch you eat. Because I want to let you spoil your food on accident.
I was hoping to have this all in one video so I could just upload it, but Mimi called.
Yeah. And
I had to restart the video.
I want to tell Mimi that I want to go to this to EVS and get a nice birthday card for my mom.
What was it called?
For my mother. Because she's cute.
What store?
CVS.
She called. You guys heard? She said EVS.
We went CVS.
CVS, yeah.
We went CVS with my
With
mommy,
Mimi.
With Mimi to go in the store to get a new birthday card for my mom.
Oh, Mimi got me a birthday card.
Yep. She got me.
Yeah, my birthday's on Wednesday, you guys. I'll be 25.
Can I show
See,
you?
I'm not old. 25 isn't old.
Can you?
Huh? 25 isn't old, huh?
Can you go get it?
Yeah, let me finish up here. She's got no patience.
Go get a wipe and then go upstairs and find that movie. Get all the movies on the floor.
Yeah.
And get
Will you get me a tissue, please?
Yes, I may.
Oh my goodness. You know what the tissues are in the living room, right?
I'm gonna show them.
No, that's Skylar's.
Maybe I'm gonna have to ask Sadie.
That's for when Skylar comes over. Put it back, please.
Maybe tomorrow Skylar can come over and
Okay, you have.
she,
Where are
if
you
she
going
has
tomorrow?
pee in her diaper, she can.
But where are you
we
going
can
tomorrow?
Change her diaper. To group.
So, you're going to school. Put that back, please. And you get mommy a tissue, please. Because you have the tissues in the living room. Go get me a tissue, please, so that I can end this and go get your video.
Okay.
Oh my God, you guys see how she is? She wants to do everything right away. Right away. If the movie's annoying you guys, I'm so sorry, but she was watching it. And I don't know what she did with the remote for me to turn it down, so I couldn't turn it down.
Here you go, Mommy.
Oh, thank you. Give me my napkin for my hands. Crap, you guys. I wanted to just like upload this video and set it to private. Upload it for you guys tomorrow. Like put it public for you guys tomorrow. But oh no, Mimi called, so it interrupted my video. My goodness, huh?
Mommy, can you go get it now?
Yeah. Okay, guys. Well, that is my pork chop and pork chop and brushless sprouts mukbang. So I will see you guys in my next one.